about your sister's snoring, Roxy? Does she keep you up at night? Oh boy. You okay, Suki? Are you done snoring? Oh, wow. Girl, you snore so loud. She really does. She keeps me up all night. Sometimes. Yeah, Suki's not allowed to sleep in the room with us because of her snoring. I actually wake up in the middle of the night from her snoring. You got a beautiful haircut. Went to the groomers on Saturday. It's all pretty. Looking less like a sore rat. Right, baby? And you're always pretty. Okay, go back to sleep. Love you. Wow, that's bedhead. That's bad bedhead.